Hi guys, the main question since the existence of cryptocurrencies is, can you make money with cryptocurrency? Well, here is the answer. Yes, you can make money. Given the inherent volatility of crypto assets, most involve a high degree of risk, while others require domain knowledge or expertise. Trading cryptocurrencies is one of the answers to how to make money with cryptocurrency. Although the daily average volume of cryptocurrency trades is just 1% of the foreign exchange market, there is a lot of volatility in the crypto market. So there is the potential to do short-term trades. But before the video, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notification. Are you ready to find out the answer to the question of how much money can you make trading cryptocurrency? Let's first say what crypto trading is. Well, cryptocurrency trading means taking a financial position on the price direction of individual cryptocurrencies against the dollar or another crypto via crypto-to-crypto pairs. Contracts for difference are a particularly popular way to trade cryptocurrencies, as they allow for greater flexibility, the use of leverage, and the ability to take short as well as long positions. One could make the argument that trading and investing are the same thing, but they're often differentiated, to a degree, by time horizons. Traders are looking to make a relatively quick profit, while investors may only make a handful of changes to their portfolios per year. Nonetheless, day trading can be another way to make money with cryptocurrency, just like it is with stocks or other securities. One of the most lucrative ways to make money with cryptocurrency is to actively engage in day trading. However, there is a slight catch. You will need to at least have a basic understanding of how to analyze prices to determine whether the token in question is likely to rise or fall in value. If you can do this, you can make money trading crypto throughout the day. The overarching concept with crypto day trading is that you will look to take advantage of short-term volatility. Furthermore, seasoned traders in this market will rarely, if ever, hold onto a position for more than a day. And as such, the objective is to open multiple positions throughout the day, making smaller but frequent profits. Today, trade digital currencies. You need to find a regulated crypto exchange that meets two core criteria: low fees and support for plenty of markets. Regarding the former, if you are day trading crypto with an exchange that charges high fees, you will struggle to make the process worthwhile. After all, your profitable trades will get eaten away by commissions. For instance, Coinbase charges 1.49% per slide, which means that this fee needs to be covered before you can close the trade at profit. eToro, on the other hand, is much more competitive. Furthermore, eToro gives you access to dozens of leading digital currencies, so you will never be short of a day trading opportunity. So how much money can you make trading crypto? The answer is heavily dependent on what kind of trading you are doing. If you are into regular trading, it all depends on your luck and skills. If you are into pumping and dumping, that is a whole other deal. With profits over 1,000% in just a few minutes, things can get pretty exciting. To simplify, the earnings are different every day, and you never know how much they will be. But one thing is certain, a lot of money is earned from cryptocurrencies, sometimes even unrealistically much. We are sorry that we did not tell you the exact number of earnings, but that is not possible. If you want to do trading, trust us, you will not regret it, because you will have a lot of money in a short time. At the very end of the video, it remains only to remind you to drop a like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell to never miss more topics like this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day, and we will meet you soon again.